Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're up and at it here at the Bonita Valley Ranch. We're down here at the storage shipping container, getting a bunch of supplies we need to do some stuff. And we're going down here to the tiny house, check on it. We haven't gone in it yet. Gotta unlock it and bolt it, do some things. So we're gotta work on some solar on our RV. The solar's not working, so we gotta figure out that problem. So I went and got some solar wire to hook up some solar panels I got up there. So we're gonna do that. And that's about all we got. Just got some stuff piddling, cleaning the ranch. We're actually gonna move into the ranch so we can start working on the tiny house and finish building on it. Can't really live in it and build on it, just doesn't work. So that's gonna help us a lot there. All right, let's get at it. Always an adventure. Okay. So we didn't want the doors to blow open, so we ended up we put a hole through the screen door. Now the screen door is nothing special, so we just kind of made it out of cheap wood, and it's kind of fallen apart. So we weren't worried about it. We just needed something temporary. Eventually we'll get a nice screen on here, but this is all going to be covered anyway. So all right, let's get a screwdriver and get that open.
Maybe we did.
Yeah, we did. Oh, how did we do that? That's weird. Would we have done that?
I don't know. Got the key?
There you go. One more?
Yep.
Yeah.
Must be right up here. Seem like at the top. Oh.
What, through there?
Yep, right
Crazy.
through the door.
Right through the door. Hey.
A creature was stirring, I heard a mouse.
It says not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Okay. So he says.
You need to take that back eventually. Well, until we get our turkey, let's take our big jug back.
Put another one up there. Part two. Basically, we put this tiny house together so we had a place to survive the summer, and we did. I mean, we had air conditioner, we survived the summer, we had a place to stay while we worked. the RV was, you know, partially there, and so now it's time to really do this place up and make it into an awesome tiny house. Yay! What do you got on your hood?
I think that's electric wire.
That's PV wire.
Oh, to connect up the solar
Yeah,
for the RV?
yeah, that's what it is.
Wow.
Butterfly.
Well, everything was good in the container.
Yeah, container.
In fact, it was nice and warm in there.
Oh, yeah, it was very warm in there.
Dang.
I'm gonna have to move into the container.
Well, even the lip house was warm.
Yeah, it was. It was. And so we'll wire up the solar panels that we got and see if we can get the RV to charge back the way it's supposed to be charging. So we don't have to turn the generator on in there anymore. And then eventually we're gonna
Remember, we got a bad solar panel in there, so it'll never charge like we did before.
Well, I know. We got two bad ones now.
No.
It's two that aren't working good.
So now we're not going to get very much.
No. Huh? We're wiring these solar panels up to the RV. I'm gonna hook it to this array
Yes.
and charge the RV that way.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I see what you're saying.
So I'm gonna wire up these
see.
panels that we have right here. So these panels, I'm gonna wire them and send them over to the RV, so they'll charge the RV up.
Sounds like a wiener.
All right, let's get at it. All right, I'm gonna use this a lot. Hey, let's go to Whitewater Draw and see the Sandhill Cranes.
Hey, let's go.
All right,
Come
cool.
on.
I'm ready.
Go.
I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Load up.
Yep.
You got my camera gear?
Got everything, I think.
All right, let's go.
Get your water jug.
Got it.
So what you doing?
Going to see the Sandhill Cranes.
Apparently they have mule deer out here too. Wow, this is really a sight to behold. As far as you can see, I don't even think you could count them. Sandhill Cranes. Holy tomato.